Hello, a very good afternoon, students. So, on that day, I have explained to you about the types of the solution. The types of the solution has been taken place as a gaseous solution, liquid solution, and the solid solution. On that day, also, I have told you about the gaseous solution. We have taken the three things, like in a solute and the solvent, with an example. Solute and the solvent, we both have taken the gases. Then, from the common examples, its formation takes place. Liquid and gas we have taken as a solute and the solvent, and we form an example as a chloroform mixed. Next we have taken the example of solute we have taken as a solid, and the solvent we have taken as a gas, and the example has been taken from camphor in nitrogen. Same as in other conditions of also liquid solutions we have taken and the solid solutions we have taken. In the liquid solution, when we have taken solute has taken as a gas and solvent has taken in liquid. So here we have taken a solid solution. In a solid solution, it forms a solute, gas, liquid, solid. Solvent we have taken as both the three things, solid, solid. Now next we have tell to you about the mass percentage, means weight by weight we are taking. So in this one, what we have to say, the mass percentage of a component of a solution is defined as mass of the component in the solution upon total mass of the solution. Means mass will be there and total mass will be there into 100. So it is said to be, this is a formula when we have to find out the mass percentage. Next, when we have to find out the volume percentage, in this one also the same thing will taken place. Volume of the solvent component upon total mass here come, total volume will come here into 100. Fine. Next we are telling about the mass by volume percentage, means W/V. Another unit which is commonly used in medicine and pharmacy is mass by volume percentage. It is the mass of solute dissolved in 100 ml of the solution. Means these are things which we have to add in 100 ml of the solution. Mass by volume percentage. Another unit which is commonly used in medicine and pharmacy is mass by volume percentage. It is a mass of solute dissolved in 100 ml of the solution. Parts per million. Parts per million has been said to be the number of the parts of the component upon total number of parts of all components. Means how many components have taken place in a one practical upon how many total components have taken place in a solution, and we have to multiply it with 10 to the power 6. Okay, so 10 to the power 6 here it is coming. A liter of sea water is an example, contains about 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 grams of dissolved oxygen. Now next we are telling about the mole fraction. Normally one formula is there, these are the examples of it. Mole fraction is number of moles upon total number of moles of the component. Means number of moles we have taken for the binary means 2. Okay, tertiary means 3. For this one, Na plus Nb. Why we are using Na plus Nb? Because we are using here total number of the moles. Till here, after this, in this way we have to find out the mole fraction. After finding out the mole fraction, then we have to use one common example will be taken place of this one this one mole fraction. We have taken this thing. So here we have to find out mole fraction of ethylene glycol. We have taken an example C2H6O2. So C2H6O2, when we have to find out the molar mass, it is coming here. Carbon 12 is there, multiply with 2. Hydrogen 1 is there, multiply with 6 because 6 is written here. Oxygen is 16, multiply with 2. So it is coming as 62 grams per mole. Moles of C2H6, what we have to do here, it already given for us 20%, so 20 upon 62, it is coming this one. Same we have to use by the water. In a water H2O, so in a H2O we are making like this, so it is coming as 18 upon how much in a 100%, how much it is coming, 20 will come here, remaining left is 80 will come here, so it is coming this one. Now total we have to find out. For the totaling, what we have to do, C2H6O2 upon this one plus. So what we have done, this one we are using first on this one side, then we have to plus both the things, it is coming this one. Okay, next if we have to find out the mole fraction of the water, what we have to do at that time, this we have taken for the water 1, then we have to add both the things. Okay, this will come for the water. Now only when we have to calculate mole fraction of water, 1 minus this thing 0. 0.068, it is coming as mole fraction of water. Okay, next we are using here molarity. Molarity is a mole of solute upon volume of solution in liters. Very easy. Molarity, the examples I will give afterwards to you. This is a formula of the molarity. Molality means moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. This is the molality. So till today we are using the molarity and the molality. Fine. So thank you students and have a nice day. These things please write down in your copies.